What's going on, guys? So, as maybe you may know, I don't have my computer still, so, because no intro. But, I got a little stash of the video. It's only 3 kits, because I want to keep it short. And plus I'm not buying any more kits anymore, so. So, first kit I got is, I heard horror stories about this kit, but I want it. I don't know why. The 80 Dodge. I don't know. I just been wanting this kit for a while. I don't know why. I heard some people say there's fitment issues with the body and all that good stuff. I don't know. I will experience that myself when I get a chance about it, but it looks like a decent thing. I've been wanting it for a while, but I don't know. I heard horror stories about that. I'm not really exactly sure about that, but I got that. The second one is I've been looking for this one for a while. I can never find it. But I got the 78 GMC Big Game Country Truck. And I've been wanting for this kit for a while and I can never find it anywhere. So, luckily, Hobbytown, U.S. No, just Hobbytown. Just Hobbytown. What do you call it, U.S.? I don't care. Online, they had it. And I was ordering parts for my RC trucks, and of course they had model cars, and this is where I got these kits from, all 3 of these kits from, just as you don't know. And well, I was ordering parts for my RC trucks, and apparently model kits came across, and I looked at them and I found this one I liked, so I got that one. I got the Big Game from there, and the last one I got is, I already have one of these, but I have plans for these. I got another Baja Blanco, because I have 2 regular and 2 Baja. One regular is going to be, just do box stock, make it leather and stuff. Then the other one I'm going to do Olsen Brothers parts, like what Tom Members Design did. He did Olsen Brothers hood, or not sure hood, but he did the doors, bumpers, all that stuff. Then I'm going to build one Baja, make a box stock, and I'm going to do one Baja with Olsen Brothers as well, the doors, and maybe some bigger tires, but we'll see. But I've wanted this kit for a while, or I've been wanting another one, because nobody seems to have them. So Hobbytown, they actually had them. So that's pretty much about it. Like I said, it's going to be short. Don't expect any long videos from me for a while. I'm going to try not making long videos, because I experienced uploading a video on my phone, last video, in case you may have seen. I didn't like it. I know why you guys do it. Like, I know Jeff does it, I know Thomas does it, I know why you guys do it. And that's great, but I cannot do it. My phone, I'm not sure, but it took me, I think it's a 5-minute video, 6-minute video, last video. It took 30 minutes to upload that video. On the computer, it can literally upload that in like 5 minutes, not even. So, I don't know. I can't upload videos on my phone. So, don't expect long videos, like this one's going to be short. We are still on the hunt for a new computer. I am still looking around. I do want to get a good one and a white one to last me for a while. And so I'll be happy with it, so if I get it, I'm like, oh, I don't want it. So I'm still searching, get a good video editor on there, and make longer videos for you guys. But other than that, that's it for now. Just 3 kits. Like I said, I'm trying not to buy any more, because my RC seasons is not cheap. So I'm trying to keep my money situated with those things. But other than that, those are the 3 kits I got. This one, I'm not sure, but I am on it, so that's my fault for getting it. But alright, guys, I think that'll be it for now. Until next time, hope I catch you guys later. Bye for now.